Hello children, hope you all are fine. Today we have come again to learn something new. Today we will learn skip counting by 5. You have already learned the skip counting by 2. The same pattern will be followed while skip counting by 5. We will do some activity and I hope you will like it. Come, let's learn. We will learn today the skip counting by 5. So children, you have already learned skip counting by 2. So you know that when we are skip counting by 2, we are jumping 2 places or 2 numbers. Now we are skip counting by 5. So we will jump 5 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let me circle the first number, that is 5. Next I will start jumping from number 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The next number comes 10. Let me circle it. Then from 10, again I will start jumping 5 places. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The number is number 15. Let me circle it too. Then I will again jump 5 number places. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The number comes to number 20. So, in the number line from 1 to 20, if we skip count by 5, we get 5, 10, 15 and 20. We will learn the skip counting by 5 by an activity. Can you see, this is a picture of a pond. It has got so many lotus leaves with numbers written on them. A frog is there. The frog has to come to the land by jumping on the lotus leaves one by one. So children, the frog will jump 5 leaves at a time and then the frog will reach the land. Let us help the frog reach the land. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. The frog has reached the 5th leaf. The leaf does not have any number, so let us put the number 5 on the leaf. The frog has jumped 5 places. It will again jump another 5 numbers written on the leaves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again the 5th leaf the frog has reached, but it has no numbers written on it. So, can you help the frog to find out the number? Yes, after 9 it will be 1, 0, 10. The frog has jumped 5 places and reached number 10. Next he will start jumping again 5 places. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The frog has jumped on again the 5th lotus leaf. It has no numbers written on it. Can you help the frog to find out the number? After 14, the number will be 1, 5, 15. Let us put the number 15 on the leaf. The frog starts jumping once again 5 places. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. The frog has reached the last leaf and it is very near to the land. So what will be its number? After 1919, the number will be 2020. And the frog will jump on the land from the last leaf. And the frog has reached the land. So children, we have seen that the frog, by jumping 5 leaves one at a time, has reached the land. So can you name the leaves that he has jumped? 5, 10, 15, 20. So in the number line 1 to 20, we get numbers 5, 10, 15 and 20 by skip counting 5 places. Children, I hope you have loved this activity and you will remember the skip counting by 2 as well as 5. So keep on practicing. Till then, it's bye-bye from Joyita ma'am.